welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS Speaking Part 1 questions. So the topic for today is singing. So the first question is, do you like singing? Why? You have to tell you like singing and the reason for it. This could be a question, looks very simple, but you have to be confident. You have to make sure that you answer the question in a concise manner, but not in one word. If the examiner asks you the question, do you like singing? Don't just answer yes or no. You have to tell, explain your answer, and then move forward. So the sample answer is yes, I love singing. Like, love. I find singing to be expressive. I find singing to be expressive. You are expressing an emotion and entertaining, and you are entertained. It rejuvenates my mind. It rejuvenates my mind. If I'm down, it rejuvenates my mind. It makes me happy and helps me to do my daily chores without any worries. And helps me to do my daily chores without any worries. Many people sing a tune or they listen to a song. Okay, so everybody does something or the other to keep themselves like busy while doing a daily chore like cleaning or cutting fruits or vegetables, something along those lines. The second question is, have you ever learned how to sing? Have you learned how to sing? Now, many people do not learn things, or many people do not learn how to sing. They just sing with whatever their voice quality is. But some people do. So in the sample answer here, I have written, while I haven't formally studied singing, singing or music is also a course that one studies. I have explored the basics and I have watched a lot of videos trying to understand various vocal techniques. Various vocal techniques. There are different vocal techniques also. Some people have a high pitch, some people can modulate their voice. Okay, these are some of the techniques that singers learn over the course of their singing career. The third question is, who do you want to sing for? Who do you want to sing for? People want to sing for their friends, their family, or their loved ones. Okay, I aspire to sing for my family as they love to watch singing shows. You want, you aspire. Okay, I hope to make them happy by singing their favorite songs. I hope to make my family members happy by singing their favorite songs or their favorite tunes. The fourth question is, do you think singing can bring happiness to people? Now, many people will say no, I mean in a negative sense. But some people will say yes, it does bring happiness. You're driving a car and you're listening to your favorite song on the radio. It makes you happy, it makes you jovial. Okay? Undoubtedly, undoubtedly, there's no doubt about this. Singing possesses the transformative power. Transformative power means it has the power to change things, to evoke emotions, to inculcate emotions, to produce emotions, and create a sense of joy, happiness. Many, including myself, become jovial, happy while listening to their favorite tunes. While listening to my favorite tunes, my favorite songs, I become jovial. So this is an introductory question of questions that can be asked on the topic of singing. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you, and I will see you in the next one. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button